So children, when we create files and we put them in folders and we want to see 5th class maths marks, it is very easy to open. See here, suppose we will have name Lata and roll number 1, marks 45, like this. Okay, it is very easy for us. We will not save it. And here we have 2 files. We can create any number of files like this. We can create for all the subjects also. Suppose we'll create one more file. Same procedure to create a file also. I am doing right click on here and go to new, and we want to create Excel worksheet. It is for EVS subject. Okay. So this way we can create different folders for different classes and different files for different subjects. Fine. Now we will see how to copy a folder. Okay. When we copy something, we have to paste it somewhere. Suppose we want to copy and paste this class 5 folder on desktop. Just right click and we got this drop down menu. And in that we have copy option and we want to paste it on the desktop. See, paste. Class 5 is here. So when we copy, it is there in the first place also, it is there in St. Pius folder also, and when we paste, it is there in desktop also. That means we have 2 class 5 folders. One is in St. Pius school folder and one is on the desktop, because we used copy option. We have one more option which is cut. Okay, so we'll see. We'll cut this 3rd class folder and we'll paste it on desktop. See, right click, cut, and we'll paste here. So we got class 3 folder onto the desktop, but open school folder now. Class 3 is not there. This is the difference between copy and cut. Okay, when we copy class 5 folder, it is there on the desktop also and in the school folder also. But when we cut class 3 folder, it is deleted from school folder. That means its first place, and only it is pasted on desktop. Okay, this is what. And now we will see how to delete a folder. It is also very simple. Simply right click and we have delete option. So when we delete, where is it gone? Every computer and laptop, everything will have recycle bin here. See, class 5 folder. Okay, and recycling means we can use it again. So for that we can click here and restore. When we click restore, we have deleted from desktop now, so again it comes onto the desktop only. I am deleting again. Delete. Okay, so this is how we have to copy, cut folders, copy and paste, cut and paste folders, and we have to how to delete folders. Okay, I hope you understand these topics. Thank you.